Today is Mexico, ESPN of Mexico. Here we go. So keep this presentation open and open the assignments that are linked below this video presentation and fill in as we go. So the culture of Mexico, this is the social part of ESPN. So we're going to talk about the different characteristics, and today you're going to be able to trace the different characteristics that have resulted from historical events and describe social and political, economical, culture contributions from different groups and societies from the past and the present. Basically, you're going to be able to trace the past and how it has affected our society and the society in Mexico today. And I say our because the majority of us have ancestors and family that are from Mexico. There are 4 distinct cultural regions within different based on population, resources, and climate. What are they? Do you know? I'm going to give you some time to think. Do you know what they are? Let's find out. Greater Mexico City, Central Mexico, Northern Mexico, and Southern Mexico. Okay, so we're going to talk about Mexico's regions. First, we have Northern Mexico. Then we have Central Mexico and Southern Mexico. And then, obviously, Greater Mexico City. So Greater Mexico City is the second largest city in the world. Remember to pause the video, FYI, pause the video if you need to. So here are some pictures of Mexico City. It is the second largest city in the world, not country, world. Central Mexico has small family farms. It's big with mining. And that's pretty much led to the rapid growth of the cities. That's the biggest contribution to the growth of population is the mining. Northern Mexico, remember this is the northern part closest to Texas. This was heavily influenced by the United States culture. Southern Mexico, which is very, very south, very, very close to the end of the border, tip of the boot, very bottom. This is Native American Indian speakers are located here. This is the least populated and the least industrialized. What that means, there's not a lot of people here and there's not a lot of cities. There's not a lot of factories. It's very barren. It's more of a natural landscape. That's where you're going to find the most beautiful landscapes, rolling hills, and not a lot of things obstructing the views. Southern Mexico is mestizo is a person of a mixture of a European and Indian descent. Native American cultures are the Mayan, the Aztec. The Aztec calendar is right here. The Mayan temples, the Olmec here. And the person recording this video is Dr. Sanderson, and I actually was able to visit the Mayan temples. It was pretty amazing. Okay, so let's talk about the politics of Mexico. With this, I really hope that you're going to be able to look at the historical factors that really have colonized and trace the reasons for immigration and trade that have happened in Mexico to today's society. Also be able to identify different types of governments and the types of governments that Mexico has compared to the United States. So Mexico is actually a federal republic. The 2 major political parties are the PRI party, the Institutional Revolutionary Party, and the PAN party, the National Action Party. The president is Andres Manuel Lopez Obrador, and the three branches of government are executive, legislative, and judicial. Very similar to the United States. The Mexican Congress of the Union has two houses in the legislature, the Senate of the Republic and the Chamber of Deputies. Here is an example of the 2018 elections. Here is the seats, 308, 129, and you can kind of look and see what these were, like the presidential demographics. All right, so that was politics on Mexico. Super short, super sweet. Go ahead and go fill out your mastery check in today's folder. Make sure that you keep this PowerPoint open to help you answer the questions. And if you have any questions, please email your teacher. We're here for you. Jump on our Zoom call at noon every day. We're here. We know it's hard at home, so we're here to answer any questions. Have a great day.